Okay, what's happening today?
We are going to the sheep farm to shear some sheep. And ride sheep, horses. We're gonna ride a sheep.
The horses didn't work, so
break it up.
yeah.
Alright, let's go. Let's do it.
I always have to laugh when you do this.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it.
Maybe not everyone will like it.
Special.
Yeah, not special.
We're gonna pet some sheep.
Pat, ride,
Pat
eat.
ride.
Pat, ride, eat.
We're gonna punch on with the sheep.
Okay.
Sheep farm. We are in the mountains.
We're in the mountains.
In the car park. We're in the car. Yeah, the sheep.
They got
Yeah.
souvenir shops.
A lot of things dedicated to the sheep farm.
Yeah. There's a ship. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the rest area of the highway also, and we can get into the sheep farm in this way.
Okay.
Yeah. And you can see some
special.
power plant.
Yeah.
We
Yeah, see, that's the real magic.
that's
the
real magic.
The wind blows and the wind turbine moves and
Yeah.
generates energy, and then it makes the air cleaner for young Koreans. And that's the real magic.
It's so cool here.
Yeah. Let's go this way. Yeah.
Yeah, I love sheep. I
Yeah.
love to cuddle them.
Yeah.
Sometimes eat them.
Yeah.
Maybe we can get some like a good sheep for the redo.
Maybe. Who knows?
How many? Wait, hang on. Yeah. I need to. I was halfway through telling a joke. Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your answer?
I don't know. 100.
100. No, it's 10 tickles. Takes 10 tickles for an octopus to laugh. 10 tickles.
10 off.
10 tickles. I heard a story from my dad about a worker that he was like a foreign worker and he didn't know sheep. He didn't realise their heads are as hard as concrete, and one of them like bucked him and he got really angry and tried to punch the sheep in the head and broke his hand because he's a dickhead. And yeah, you just gotta grab them by the ears or something to try to, if they're trying to buck you. But these will be happy sheep. Yeah, I don't think so. It's when you grab them and try to shave them really fast.
Okay, you have to pay. 이 정도면 단체인가요? 몇 명까지부터 다 단체예요?
3명부터요. 몇 분이세요?
몇 명부터요?
3명.
아 그래요? 메인이네 그러면.
Crikey.
드시고요. 이거 건초교환권이니까 체험장 가셔서 먹이시고 체험해주세요.
네, 알겠습니다.
인도했으면 몇 개 드릴까요?
네. 많이 주세요. 10개 주세요. Okay.
Lammies.
Welcome to Sheep Farm. Welcome to Sheep Farm.
We'll see how they make.
Welcome to Sheep Farm.
Oh, llamas. You know, yeah, long neck sheep.
Welcome to Sheep Farm.
Ostrich farm, something.
Yeah. 감사합니다.
Alright.
Where are we now?
We I can smell sheep actually. Yeah, we're in a sheep farm for sure. I can smell them. I'm half Kiwi, you see, so I can smell a sheep from a kilometre away. Yeah, we've got our little brochure for how to spot a sheep, what it looks like, how to identify a sheep, and yeah, we've got trail 1 and trail 2. Feeding centre, so it looks like we're going to be able to touch some sheep.
Feed on sheep?
Yeah, look. Oh, not feed on them. I don't think we'll be able to eat them. Maybe we can. I mean, there's laws and there's fences, but doesn't necessarily mean you can't just bite a sheep's head if you...
Alright.
Yeah. Yeah, we can see this.
Do they make like cheese from only goats or sheep as well? Sheep as well, right? Sheep cheese?
Sheep cheese?
Goat cheese?
Goat cheese, yeah. I've
Sheep
never
cheese.
sheep cheese.
Sheep cheese?
A good sheep cheese salad.
Sheep? Do they have cheese
Sheep,
so good?
sheep,
Sheep
cheese.
That's pretty
See
good.
these fences here?
Yeah.
Built 100% Kiwi proof. When they first made this place, you see over these hills they have a fence on the top here. The Kiwis would come in hordes over to there was so many, it blocked out the sun. That many, they were coming in parachutes and planes, all barred up, ready to go.
Making music. Have you guys ever been to a sheep farm before?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah?
Yeah, we have a lot of sheep
In France?
in France, yeah.
Yeah.
And I studied about agricultural stuff. So
Yeah?
yeah, I've seen some. Yeah, about pigs, about sheep. Yeah. And this one looks like they have a lot of space.
Yeah. Actually, it's my first time see a sheep. Back to the Clinton.
Black pig. There's a feeding centre right here
Yeah. Can you go inside?
where we can feed on sheep.
Oh, let's take a look.
Oh, I got the same haircut.
They're all hiding in here from the New Zealanders.
Same haircut.
And it smells like my uncle's farm here.
This is yeah, this is taking me back.
That's like my room.
They got little, this one's got little furry legs. They need a shearing. That's nice.
Okay, we have to get out. Let's go to the next building. That one. That's the real one.
A unique experience.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go.
Can we ride them? Joke.
You can eat them.
No
This one's balding.
Hi.
That's you. Hi, honey.
He's got a bald spot, this guy.
Yeah.
He's angry. Look at him.
Who is angry?
I've got a bald spot.
Show me again.
What?
They have like horns.
He wants to punch her.
Why is he angry? Hi. Why are you angry?
Tell him.
Oh.
Yeah, you don't have any horns anymore.
Yeah.
Can't punch him.
They got these scary eyes, like their pupils are like.
Do they have a horn? Normally?
Yeah, I guess.
They're like
cut off
unicorns,
there.
like
Oh.
uni sheep.
Unicorn?
Unique sheep. Or uni, I don't know what you call them.
Oh, there's only cat.
Oh my god.
Sheep cam.
Sheep cam. Go there. Go close. Maybe he will like it too.
Hey, no, that's not for eating, alright? Get angry.
How's your interaction with the sheep?
Yeah, it's good. Sometimes it's good to just reconnect, you know, take your shoes off and just touch a sheep. You know what I mean?
Absolutely. Like this.
Oh,
Schluss.
fight! Here we go.
Schande.
You can go feed them.
Yeah?
Yeah. Let's go feed them.
So how does it work? We grab one of these.
Yeah. And grab some fresh food.
grass.
Yeah.
I guess it costs some money, huh?
No, it should be free.
Free money. Free sheep.
안녕하세요.
11명인데 10명?
11개 드릴 거예요.
네.
드릴게요.
Okay, everyone can get one.
바구니를 멀리 하시고요. 한 줌씩 해서 손바닥으로.
Don't give the whole bucket to the ship, just little by little. Okay, make sure your bucket is far away from the ship. Yeah, otherwise the ship will steal everything.
보통 불이 있어요?
여기 한국에 있는 양은 풀이 없습니다. 예,
오케이.
수입이 안 됐어요.
오케이.
Strangest looking sheep I've ever
His name is Lulu.
Is this a small sheep or?
Small ship.
맞대요.
Looks like a cat. You don't want to feed? Alright.
We have to feed the sheep with our open palm because otherwise it'll bite your fingers off. Yeah, eat it. Yeah, you'll love it. Love it. Love that grass.
Yeah. Show me again how to feed.
네, 안 돼요. 여기 맞추면
Yeah. It's like a reggae sheep.
Reggae shit. Right? How's the feeding ship?
Yeah, it's fun. It takes me back to my young days of,
Yeah.
of feeding sheep. No, it was fun. It was fun. It's strange when they lick your hand
Yeah.
and bite your fingers.
How is the feeding ship?
Awesome. Okay, he's my best friend, but only if I give him some grass. Like a ball.
고양이가 귀여워가지고. 고양이 때리면 안 돼.
Have you ever feed a ship before?
Sure.
Yeah?
I stay once
Where?
around.
Ah, yeah. Right.
Our neighbors, they have sheep, and sometimes I just took the grass and then I was playing with the neighbors.
Yeah. Feed the ship for fun.
Always.
Really what?
Okay, let's go up somewhere. Maybe on the top of the hill.